Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make a circular image. So today you're gonna learn how you can make a like circular image for your project. Like if you wanna make any profile pic and you want that in circle. So that's what we're gonna learn today. All right, so let's get started. Just get our basic HTML structure. Okay, and now we're gonna take a image. Right, so let's take image source. One dot is for current location, two dot for the previous location, like one step behind. So we give slash to open that thing. I have some images, so let's take woman one, and now that's it. Now go to the head tag. Now we're gonna give some style to it. Style. So first thing we do, we give a width to our image. Let me reduce it. Image. The width we can give like 300 pixel. Same thing we can do with height. And to make anything circle, let me see what you can see here first. So this is our image in square. Okay, all right, so now you want this all the border in circular. So to make that, we give exact same pixel to it, like border radius 300 pixel. So now we can see it becomes circular image. So you can give in percentage like 50% to make it circular also. Right, so if you give anything any border radius, either you give in pixel or in percentage, it will make your image in circle. Another thing you can do is apply border. You can do 5 pixels solid, so it will add the border to the image. So that's it for the video. Please do subscribe my channel. I'm gonna bring more and more tips and trick on CSS. Stay tuned.